You?
Okay, guys, this is part two.
You guys wanna waste me? I'm top
Because
1,000 on the ground.
I'm gonna be checking out
You're in the
the
code. You're in the code
baboon rooms.
AAD.
I'm gonna do that later. Anyways, let's just jump this off. Okay, okay, okay.
What?
Search up some red
Let's turn this off.
Interact the water military change of arms rolling up to please connect from the water I do not like
AAB or AAC?
I do not like the water please do not follow the water because of those smells water I do not like it I do not like the water please do not throw me in the water I do not really like water.
Yo, there's people here. Let's go.
You guys ready to race me? 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, you cheated.
Over
you
here.
cheated.
Touched.
I touched
won.
it first. Clearly you touched
3, 2, 1, go.
Those
We beat you, bro. We beat you.
interact the water military
I touched it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Touch third. I'm
it.
third.
I touched it first.
I was second.
throw me in the water I do not really like
First.
water.
I'm first.
What if you in the water because
Okay,
of
I'm
those
gonna be
smells.
checking out baboon rooms.
Interact the water.
Let's go. Hop, 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 hop. Oh, it's so loud. Can't I lower the volume?
Win. Pay to win. Pay to
Yo,
win.
that's a sick
Pay to win.
looking
Pay to win. Pay to
skin
win.
you got there. Can I have it?
Then I went somewhere else. Then baby went
Way.
Listen to this
Find
song.
him, please. Really find him.
And not die.
Do I sound like a child? Tell me, do I sound like a child?
Thank you.
Soldier boy, oh my little soldier boy. That's us. Oh my god.
The goofies follow.
Go on him. They went on him.
So if you guys didn't know already, that last day ago, like no, like last update ago. Been a long time, huh? Wait, who is he? Where is he?
I don't know.
Oh shit, he's walking by himself.
Put on your Sunday best because I know
where
that
that
you're close to quitting.
Yo, dude, can you shut up?
Wait, if he's right there, then what that mean?
That's us. That's us right there. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Reno. So play the game and just ignore the pain. All that remains is how you find your way. You want to be, but you're blind to see that I'm the one who's running the show. The reason is why I'm making part 2 is that
Sonic.
Ow. I think I just hit something. Oh, let me pause.
Hey, you! You can't get anything then. What is that? Wait, explain your outfit. Explain your outfit. Who are you supposed to be? What the heck?
What the heck is what?
Explain your
Well, I
outfit.
can play. You guys know how that little one can play music? I can play way more than that. Tired of laying down like that. I can do way more than that.
Guys, can you do this?
Miku Fairy Godmother.
Yeah, you can't do this, guys. You can't do this. Yo, I wonder. Crow, wizard, beaver dream. Yo, can I play the demo? I can play the demo. I just know you use a laptop or a phone or the TV for that. For that specific reason, bro. I just know you did. I just know. Oh yeah, I'm sitting right now. I'm sitting. Oh, I just. Oh, yeah. I think I just. Anyways, where's my? Why? Why is it white? Did I? Oh yeah. Hey, look.
Oh my god!
How do I go back? Oh. Reload scene.
Shame of always rolling up the tongue. Please, turn from you. No matter how you know.
Oh, good enough.
Or don't want to be thrown in the water because what those smells. Or don't you like the water?
Dumb question.
Hey! 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 Hey, wait. Okay, guys, this is how tall I am. I'm gonna put my controllers down on the floor, and then you're gonna see how tall I am. Okay? You're gonna see. Wait.
You know what to do now. Why did you freaking go in my way?
See, I'm so tall. I'm so tall. Look, I'm so tall. I'm so tall. Oh my gosh, I'm so tall. I'm so tall. I'm so tall. Move. Smooth criminal. Ooh.
Yo, I'm ascending. Bro, I can't even see. Listening to this shit.
Can't even see?
Yo, this is genuine heat. Zero grade one. No, can't tell.
I think there's no.
Bro. Oh my god.
Oh, wait.
Yo, you this guy?
I'm back to the new bed.
Yo. Ooh. It'd be actually funny if I just. Come here. Uh-huh. And then let's go to the shop. The wing area. Yo, this is what the mirror sees. Yo, where's the people? Where's the people, bro? Where's the people? Yo. Okay, just put you back here.
Dude, I have more than I thought.
Doggy.
Oh, where's my cone? Where's my cone? Wait. Where's my cone? Wait, what if I just jump? And then. Oh, I think I did it. Yo, I'm floating. Yo, I'm a floaty. I'm floaty. Oh yeah. Wiggle. Wiggle. What?
I'm totally not on the floor.
Let's play Animal Company. Train you, Banshee. I heard there's a new lobby update. What is that? 2 palm trees? I think it's 2 palm trees. Oh, new lobby update. Let's go. Forward. Oh, here's my controller. Bro, I thought it fell down. Just launched itself, bro. Peak oil.